What is up, YouTube land, and welcome back to Geeks 4x4, the most budget-related off-road channel in all the YouTube, and the most excursion-related off-road channel in all the YouTube. And today, we are gonna do another lame video. Nah, I'm kidding. It is going to not be projects again. I do apologize. Didn't do, again, it's been second week of tech. We are opening this weekend for the show. That's pretty fun, and it's just been so busy trying to do other things and everything else that the excursion stuff has been on hold. But I have a subscriber. His name is Bill, and he is sending me Lexan, and I think it's actually Lexicon that he works with for the windows. So those are actually going to be in today. I was hoping to get them before I made the video so I could show them to you guys, but they did not show up. They got, I don't know, some sort of label happened yesterday, and they didn't happen. Well, I don't know. FedEx, you know how it goes, but they are supposed to be here today. So in the next video, I will show you. I have also been working on the Escape this week. That's going to be next week's video. We're going to be talking about just an overview of what I did with that. I did a lot of searching and really couldn't find anything on that, so there's some information I want to tell people about it. You can tell it's out of the garage, so it runs good enough to move. Not quite fixed yet, but it's close. But we delivered the wheels for Mischief Maker, so let's go straight to do that, and then we will go on to our next info. So anyway, hop over to that. Boom! Alrighty, another episode of Geeks 4x4 shipping service. Told you guys that I was working on this last week. KMC wheels, heading to 4x4 garage. Well, I'm meeting 4x4 garage here this morning. It is chilly, and white truck going, and gonna go meet them. Show you guys the drop-off. Yeah, we're gonna pop over those awesome mountains. What a view this morning. What a handoff is complete. Wheels are hidden in there, you can barely see them. And head back home. So it's really funny. The keen eye will notice that I'm kind of wearing the same shirt as last week. The weather has changed though, so it's the same shirt, but it's long sleeve this week. It gets cold around here, and all of a sudden it just switched. I told you guys last week that it was switching. It was 75 last week, and the high this week has been 55. So yeah, we got a quick swap over. Anyway, so the Escape's been getting worked on. Like I said, the excursion stuff. Oh, another exciting thing on the excursion. You guys heard about Yukon last week. There's now a link to them in my description. They are a sponsor. And I have located some axles, I believe, and put a deposit on them. It's just, again, about the time to get over, and I got to take them out and stuff like that. So I am working on that, but that is going to happen. So axles might be happening soon here. So anyway, thank you guys for watching another lame video this week. I'm going to get back to more project details and links to helpful products and things like that next week, and then a rig walk around, and then we'll be really back to our regular scheduled details. I've got the Lexicon to go in. I'm going to start doing the interior in this. The hope is that I can get it decent enough to park it outside instead of just parking in the garage. But this is slow going. We're on the budget channel. So I got to, do things when budget allows. So we are always building, but not always buying things. So anyway, we are going to see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this was short and didn't waste your time to not see anything. We'll see you next week.